My name is Pascal. I own a Classic Cooking Academy, a cooking school that I opened with my wife in 2007. Focus on today on avocational classes and teaching people how to eat better. We do some wine classes. We do a whole bunch of things. Donna and I moved here from Washington, D.C. in 2005 to retire. The retirement didn't do too well the first year. I was very bored, so I finally opened a very small school in 2007. But the purpose of the school really is to educate people about food, teach them how to cook properly, and teach them the techniques of cooking. Cooking is more techniques than recipes.
If you were interested in taking a class, what I could tell you is that even if you've got some experience in the kitchen, you're really going to round out your skill set. The way that we teach these classes, we don't really use recipes, we just discuss and show techniques. And so when you learn that technique, you can then make all the adjustments to the flavors and seasonings and things to give you a larger repertoire of menus and items that you can cook for your friends and your family. Top class that we do at Classic Cooking Academy is a 24-week series where you learn all sorts of techniques that you're going to utilize every day. Work our way through with really classic French recipes for all the different staples that you can have, and then make adjustments on your own in those classes too.
And when I came here, I decided to go on a reservation, and I was shocked to see the health condition actually of most Native American, which again has to do with diet. So we immediately, when I started my full-time program, I did a component, and we tried to teach Native American children. Of course, we're teaching French cooking.
A lot of the classes that we do are essentially private classes for certain types of groups, and a lot of times they go with a cooking lesson and end with a meal. And so we can take a group if people wanted to really dial that in. Most of the specialized classes that we do at this point are things like learning how to make sushi, learning how to make a subject-specific item.
Something that people don't realize is nobody owns a recipe. Okay? You can copyright a book, but you don't copyright a recipe. And I can take any recipe from anybody's cookbook, put it in my cookbook, and publish it, and it's perfectly fine. And if I just change one comma or one pinch of salt in the ingredients, I've got a new recipe. And I think it's important to stay with the classic technique. I mean, techniques that have been done for hundreds of years, there's a reason for it.
What really inspired me to get more into the education side of cooking is I have fun cooking every day. I love to cook at work, and I love to cook at home. And the more you understand about ingredients, techniques, the better cook you're gonna be, the happier your family and friends are gonna be, and you'll enjoy your time in the kitchen a lot more.